Hi, lovely people. So, in our previous blog, we shared that how we load a project in Android Studio, how we select different kind of options to save, to select the languages and other preferences while creating a project. And we also showed you a glimpse of how we can use the inbuilt emulator to run our projects and check the functionality and other things. Now, in this project, mainly we will focus on how to start with the emulator, how to run the emulator, how if your emulator device is not installed, how we can use the AVD manager in which is embedded inside the Android Studio to run our project. So let's get started. So if you'll see, we have loaded our project, which is the time fighter, which we have also posted in our previous blogs. And now we will run this project into the emulator. So if there could be two situations, so if you want to run this project in emulator, so I think it's already opened in my side, so let me just close it. So once you close, you can see there is this green rectangle play button on and the device name which is written in the top strip of the Android Studio. So you just have to click this button if you have already installed your device. But suppose you haven't installed any device, so in this tutorial I'll show you that how you can install a new device. So in same top strip there is this button where a mobile phone with an Android icon has been displayed. You just have to click on it. So now this window will pop up which will show you all the virtual devices which you have installed. So now I have already installed Pixel 3 XL, but if there is no device selected in this strip, you just have to go to create virtual device, which is an option in the below build, and then you will get a list of devices. Now Pixel 3 XL is the latest one, so I went with that. Now you can also choose amongst these many devices. So let's just suppose we go with Nexus. So let's go with okay, we'll go with Pixel 2. No, we'll go with Pixel. You just have to hit next and you will land on this screen. Now this screen usually says select a system image, which clarifies that you have to select an OS to make your app get operated. Now this there could be multiple situations that if you want to test your app in previous Android versions, that you have to install a copy of all these OS, which is currently till Nougat, which is API level 24. But for the time being, I'll go with Android Q, which has already been installed. So you just have to select next, and here you can just give your device name, which you can say Pixel device. Okay, now you don't have to select anything from the screen, just hit finish, and we're done. So as you can see now, previously it was Pixel 3 XL, but all now and another device has been added to the list which says Pixel device. Now you just have to close this, and from this screen you can select on which emulator you want to run. Now it's not mandatory that you have to select only one simulator. You can enable your application to run on multiple emulators on a single time. So let's go with the latest added device, which is Pixel device, and hit run. Cool. I just kind of love Pixel devices and why it is good. Now this will start like a normal mobile phone. We have to wait for some time for the OS to get booted up. Bingo. Pixel is starting. Yep. So here you can see that our application is up and running. This is my first Kotlin application, and this is our title bar where the title of the app has been mentioned, Time Fighter. And in our next coming videos we'll see how we can tweak with the title bars, which change the text styles, text fields, and we will usually select the elements and the widgets in which are a part of Android X. So we will be using the APIs which has been migrated to Android X. Thank you.